Question number 9. List the solution set of in equation 1 upon 2 plus 8x is greater than 5x minus 3 upon 2 x belongs to integer. Given 1 upon 2 plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3 upon 2. And we are shifting 5x left side, 8x that will be negative minus 5x greater than minus 3 upon 2 as it is, and 1 upon 2 will be minus 1 upon 2 in right. Positive 1 upon 2 that will be negative 1 upon 2. 8x minus 5x that is equal to 3x greater than minus 3 minus 1 base equal, so 2 and minus 3 minus 1 that is equal to minus 4, and minus 4 divides 2. 3x is greater than minus 4 upon 2, and this is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 2. 3x is greater than minus 2. 3x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2 upon 3. 2 divides 3, that is 0.06, 18, 2, 0, 6, 6 and so on, 0.66. Or x is greater than 0 minus 0.66 so on, that is x is greater than minus 0.66, that will be 0 greater than, that is 0 1 2 and so on. So solution set x belongs to integer, so solution set is equal to greater than, that is 1 2 and 3 4 so on. Solution set will be 1 2 3 4 and so on. Answer. Given 1 upon 2 plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3 upon 2. 5x shifting left side, that will be minus 5x, and 1 upon 2 shifting right side, that will be minus 1 by 2. Sign change, positive to negative, and this will be positive, and this is positive and it will be negative, minus 5x left side. 8x minus 5x we get 3x minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 base equal 2, and minus 3 minus 1 that is minus 4, and minus 4 divides 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 2s are 4, but negative sign minus 2. 3x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2 upon 3, that is x is greater than minus 0.66 so on, and it's greater than means 1, negative 0.6, it's greater than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on up to. Solution set. Answer. Question number 10. List the solution set of 11 minus 2x divided by 5 greater than 9 minus 3x divided by 8 plus 3 upon 4 where x belongs to natural number. solution. Given 11 minus 2x upon 5 greater than 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4, all divided by 8, all divided by 5. And this equation can be written as 11 upon 5 minus 2x upon 5 is greater than is equal to 9 upon 8 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. We can write it as 11 upon 5 minus 2x upon 5 greater than equal to 9 upon 8 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. And next step, minus 3x upon 8 shifting left side, that will be positive, and 3x upon 8 minus 2x upon 5 as it is in left, and 11 upon 5 shifting right side, that will be negative. 9 upon 8 as it is plus 3 upon 4 as it is minus 11 upon 5, that is negative. Positive, that will be negative right side. And LCM of 8 and 5 is equal to 40. 8 5s are 40. And LCM of 4, 8 and 5, that will be 40. 4, 5 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 5 1 5 1 1 1. 5 2s are 10, 20, 40. LCM of 8, 4 and 5, that is equal to 40. LCM is equal to 40. And LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 3x upon 8 into 40 minus 2x upon 5 into 40 is greater than equal to 9 upon 8 into 40 plus 3 upon 4 into 40 minus 11 upon 5 into 40, and LCM is 40, and that is 40. LCM is 40. This is divisible by 8 5s are 5 8s are 5 8s are 40, and 8 5s are 40. 5 3s are 15x minus 8 2s are 16x divided by 40 is greater than equal to, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 8, and 9 5s are 45 plus 3 10s are 30 minus 11 8s are 88 divided by 40. 40 40 is cancelled. This 40 multiplied by right side, then 40 40 is cancelled, and we get 16x minus 16x plus 15x, that is equal to minus x upon 40 greater than equal to 45 plus 30, that is 75, and 88 minus 75 minus 88 plus 75, that is equal to minus 13. So minus 13 divided by 40. Which implies minus x is greater than equal to minus 13 into 40 upon 40. This will be cancelled, and x minus x is greater than equal to minus 13, which implies x is less than equal to 13. Minus will be positive, greater than equal to will be less than equal to positive 13. So solution set x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. Solution set is equal to less than and equal to 13. Natural number is started by 1, 2, 3, 4. So solution set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Last number is less than equal to 13. Answers. We have given 11 minus 2x upon 5 greater than equal to 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. And we are 11, we can write it as 11 upon 5 minus 2x upon 5 greater than equal to 9 upon 8 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 upon 4. And shifting 3x upon 8 in left, that is positive, 3x upon 8 minus 2x upon 5 greater than equal to 11 upon 5, shifting right side, that is negative, that will be negative minus 11 upon 5, and LCM of 8, 4 and 5 is equal to 40. So 40 and LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 40 multiplied by 3x divided by 8, that is equal to 5 3s are 15x, and 40 multiplied by 2x divided by 5, that is equal to 8 5s are 40 and 8 2s are minus 16x divided by LCM 40. Greater than equal to LCM is 40. 40 divides 8, that is 5, and 9 5s are 45 first, and 40 divides 4, that is 10 4s are 10 3s are 30, and 40 divides 5, that is 8 5s are 40, and 11 multiplied by 8 is equal to 88 divided by LCM 40. Minus 16x plus 15x is minus x upon 40 greater than equal to 45 plus 30 is 75, and minus 88 plus 75 equal to minus 13. Minus 13 upon 40. Left side, right side is negative, so we are multiplying both sides by negative sign. And 40 multiplied by right side divides 40, that is equal to 1. And minus x is greater than equal to minus 13. Multiplying minus 1 both sides. Minus 1 minus x will be positive, and greater than equal to will be less than equal to 13. So x belongs to natural number, and natural number is started by 1 2 3 4. X is less than equal to 13. So solution set will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, and last number is 13. Answer. Thank you so much.